MeghalayaPost.news.
Bandang pensungtu syakipat ba leng ba kajeng Pyni Nuksa eksperimen halor kajeng Shngain bania ki kalipat ba ha Surokbah National Highway 6 hari Bhoi katanat Pulit Bhoi mentakas sengi kala Pyni Syndon da kajeng Pyni Nuksa kumbade bania ki kali ha gani ka Surokbah khnang ba kanomon ra ya kajeng tengku kali ne kajeng ja ba sngosi ka bala jujja na kapor ha gani ka Surokbah ya gani kajeng Pyni Nuksa nadu ki kali he hadu ki kali ret bania ha gani ka Surokbah la penlong ha Shngain bypass ha kajeng lam additional superintendent of police uba Will Masar ki officer lembat ki Pulit ki bala Pyni Syndon na Nuksa ki turok driver batru ki driver jong ki kalirin baki haban boat ki kendon bania hakani Surokbah khnang bania da na jingja basngusi bat ki jinghe tengku kali Kumban penkenmau kani gajing tanggi Pulit bat pen iru da kakam ne Nuksa kadai shibenta bania kun persya ki kali bapen kenyan balo juwan ja ki jingja basngusi bat ki jinghe tengku kali bat kumbalong menta ki Pulit Bhoi ki perking ba bania bai ya ernti ki kali pai ba batru banom don kanu kunu gajing penthut ya kalit kawan jong ki pai ba lengba jong kani ka surong habai crunch kilat patai kubor usenia superintendent of police Bhoi UVS Rathor ula ong bakani gajing penlong ban Pyni Syndon na ki Nuksa ki driver bania ka Surokbah kadai shibenta ban hikai kindup tip haganuk benta bagi ha banya khnang banami kajing tengku kali ne ki bawan ra ru ya kajing ja basngusi tang namar bakim tip kumno badai banya hagane ka Surokbah ulong ru hagane kajing Pyni Nuksa lapanya kali ningkong ha kaliang kadiang jong ka surong banang ta sapanya ha kaliang kamon baru sapanya kelanya ki kali bar hadian kata sakli ki driver kanu ke benta ka basngus ngan banya ki kali kani boro kadai kajing pensungtu ki driver banang ni syakmat ki ha bantim ya kelenti ha baki ya lengba Surokbah baki ha banbut thik pathik ya ki kendon namar bun sien tang nakadaw kajing bomtip iki kendon kajuan ra kajing jabas ngusi bal kajing tukhu kali kabakta hi ya kipat ba
di ong no de bakayat nene ha ya dak raj mun ngangan ya dak kalap em kamai ke membakal kala teman cross budo kam de kim mau pe ke nama bun kita bagi mau pe ke kelas B kena tak daw bakahon kadon ya kumun minahap ai hon ke
ke piso gum dah lor kan jing pelong Pulit Bhoi kan ga jing checking kali
em ko biang ka biasa ko biang ne ban ayu cek latest me
naman men kini bon bagi jing ja accident gi baki do no ga jing imte ki Pulit gile kan piso gum no ga ga bak pidon bonong Pulit Bhoi
ang ka biang
a bit faster in the bit faster speed, okay. So we feel very unsafe. The like movement is not like that good. Yeah, in zigzag.
But if the trucks are moving on the left side, how you feel?
On the left side, if they keep moving slowly, then it's okay.
Yes, that's
okay. But they should not, keep stagnant and cook on the way. That is nongpoh police are doing great.
Thank you so much.
Meghalaya police are the great in India.
We have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat-Jorabad stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two, maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway, and we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first and then right lane first and then in a zigzag manner, and some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program, because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal we believe is more effective. And that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel, and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best uh, option to choose and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss. But at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable and we'll continue to do it.
MeghalayaPost.news.